I don't wanna lie, 'cause I know you hate it, but right now I'm stuck in the middle. I stumble while I try, 'cause you don't wanna give in. Sounds like we're just talking in riddles. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join this channel and my journey. In today's video, we're just going to be cleaning the entire house. So much needed done, and if you don't know me already, I have 2 little girls, a 5-year-old and almost a 2-year-old, and I am pregnant with our 3rd little girl. I am 28 weeks. I am due in the beginning of May. And so, yeah, let's get to it. Let's clean, get up with me, and I hope this motivates you to clean your house.
Think about every time I'm out, and sometimes so we're texting back. But baby, don't you know I will come around and let you know I'm always coming back. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you're settled. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you.
This room is kind of my catch-all. It's my office, it's my makeup room, it's where I practice my nails. It's also where we keep our dog kennel, and so it kind of gets cluttered, and yeah. So I was just cleaning up my makeup desk, and it seems still cluttered because of all my nail stuff. This writing had been on this board for over 2 months, and I love these wipes to get everything off of it. Super easy. And then my boyfriend is helping me move things as I vacuum. And then don't judge me for how bad it is around the dog kennel. I had to include it and show you guys because that is what it's like living with pets. She's hardly ever in there, so I'm always horrified by what I see back here and how much hair collects along the wall.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the fun.
So this is our guest bathroom, my kids' bathroom, and was recently my boyfriend's sister lived with us, and so this was her bathroom, and I needed to give it a really good wipe down since she moved out and just get back into a routine of my kids using it. And you're gonna see my kids continue to pop in and out of the video because that is life with kids. And actually my daughter hid behind the door in the bathroom in here, and I didn't even notice for a while that she was hiding from me and just playing a game. And then you'll see my daughter, my youngest, Alexandria, pop in and out. But yeah, so I'm working on angles in this bathroom. I wasn't able to show me cleaning the shower in this bathroom, which I really wanted to, but apparently my pants were see-through, and so I didn't want to show that on camera. So you'll see me put the soaps back in the shower, but I did clean the shower in this bathroom.
'Cause I'm ignoring, see, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
Okay, let's talk about this room because this is my daughter's room. She is 5. She likes things a certain way. Her bed is filled with like little blankets and stuffed animals and pillows and refuses to let me remove them from her bed. So if you see me sloppily make her bed, that's why. There are toy bins under her bed for storage because this house is just not very big. And this is her playroom, her room. And so we are trying to make the most of the storage that we do have in her room. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that. And then in this bathroom, this is my boyfriend's and my bathroom. And it's also been used for our kids recently. But we do not have a very large house here. I'm hoping by May, when this baby comes, we're able to buy a home and find something that better suits us and our family and that is more space because this house is just not very big.
Forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I'll miss you, babe.
Okay, you guys are going to see me spray the toilet and then rinse my rag in the bathtub. I put a cleaning solution in the bathtub because I haven't cleaned the shower yet. And then that way I can continue to rinse my rag and clean the toilet as good as I want to and really get in there and then not feel like I'm touching everything from the toilet if I rinse it in the tub.
No, they didn't. It keeps messing with my head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best, or you would break. That is why you left without a text. Without a text, no. I miss you, babe. Forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I'll miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. Been missing everything that we had. Been missing everything that I miss you, babe. Can't be too late. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe.
Okay, right there is my youngest daughter, Alexandria. She'll be 2 next month. But this is her room. Recently, it was my boyfriend's sister's room. But she and the new baby are going to share this room. And I have not figured out storage yet. I haven't figured out what furniture I want to buy for their room to share. And so it's kind of a work in progress. Right now, we just have a big toy bin. And so, yeah. But this is her room. And I hope you guys are enjoying and getting all the motivation that you guys need to get up and clean your house with me. We just got to take that day, get it done, and it'll make you feel so much better when you are done.
Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so.
This is probably my least favorite room in the house, and it's my bedroom. I struggle with the fact that we have a king size bed in such a small room and just not a lot of space, and it's not what I want, and it's hard to decorate because of how small it is. But like I said, like, we're not going to be here forever, and so I'm just making do with what we got and trying to keep it clean as best as I can. This room gets cluttered because of not having very much space around the bed.
There's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, oh my, my, my. Like, oh my God. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
Okay, it is the next day and we are just finishing up the house. I got really worn out the previous day with doing all the bedrooms and bathrooms, and I just didn't want to completely overdo it, and so I am finishing up the living room, and my boyfriend is helping me pick up, but he is also going to be doing the dishes in the kitchen for me, so I don't have to do that today too. And he is a huge help most of the time. And so, yeah, I'm just finishing up the living room and getting it all done. As you can tell, my coffee table is not done. If you see my end tables and how they are stained and white, we are in the process of doing that to our coffee table. It has just been too cold to finish it outside. It is, as I'm cleaning this day, it's actually like below 0, so not warm enough to paint and stuff outside. But yeah, so this is going to be it for this video. If you guys have stuck around to this point, please leave a comment down below or like the video and let me know that you made it to this point. It means so much to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to finish up sweeping and mopping and then call it quits from there. But I hope this gave you all the motivation that you need to get up and clean your house with me. This is actually what we did on Valentine's Day, was get our house clean. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching.